Hey guys, it's Ross, and every time I look around in the yard at this time of the year, for whatever reason, there's just always something new to try. I don't know what it is, man. This is like the year of firsts, the year of trying new things. We got ourselves our first plum ever, and I didn't even know it was there. I didn't even know it existed because a lot of these plums and a lot of these stone fruits here flowered very early, and a lot of them didn't hold on to the flowers and didn't set fruit. So I wasn't really expecting much of anything this year, but I got myself my first plum, and I can't believe it. I don't really know what to say about these plums. I mean, they're basically your typical stone fruit, disease-ridden, you know, very tough to grow. Usually get hit with some sort of rot, although this is completely rot-free. I mean, I guess there's no rot this time of the year on just about anything. I've been harvesting apricots now. Our cherries are finished. The peaches are next. The nectarines are next. In fact, I've already had some in the front on some, I guess, early varieties that have ripened. And the plums, I guess, if they had set anything, or the pluots had set anything, we got about 5 plums or pluots right here, 5 or 6. And so far, nada. But there was one little Santa Rosa plum just hiding away over here. And then I looked around and I noticed there's actually one down there that I bagged. And we'll get to pick that one, I guess. Judging off of this one, we'll see if this is perfect, but this is pretty soft. I gave it a nice little smell. You know, this is not by any means underripe, and I'm really excited. The color looks good. Everything about it looks good. It's just very small. I mean, it barely even looks like a plum, but these trees are young, man. And I've transplanted them around so many times, but they're getting some size. I really want to come in here and feed these areas really well. I want to really put down some hard mulch this year, heavy mulch, put down lots of biomass underneath these trees, specifically the pears, the apples, the stone fruits. Get them to a really manageable size, or a reasonable size, so I can get more of these plums next year. Let's give this a try. I'm really interested to see what the store quality is compared to homegrown quality plums. Wow. That's interesting. So immediately when you bite into it, it's really sweet. Much sweeter than any plum or pluot. And the sweetness is like bubble gum. It literally is like actually a bubble gum that I don't really like. It's a type of bubble gum. It's kind of like the old bubble gum that's pink and it's flat and it's hard, that you kind of can get at like dollar stores, and people used to chew it at baseball games and whatnot. I just got some on myself, but once you get past that bubble gum, you get some plum flavor, of course, and then you're followed up with some acidity from the skin. And there's the skin right there, pretty much on its own, which is the acidic, the tartness. So the whole thing, kind of, if you eat it all at once, rather than eating it in parts and sections like I just did, I think it comes out way better. And obviously it's really good. I mean, that's better than any pluot or plum I've ever had. Probably not even the highest bricks plum that I could grow. I mean, I'm sure the next one's gonna be even better. I'm sure in years from now, it's gonna be even better than that. And I'm sure there's better varieties than Santa Rosa. So for me, that's good. I'd say that's somewhere though, only like a 7 out of 10 in terms of like all the fruits I grow. I think that's only a 7 out of 10, but that bubblegum flavor wasn't the greatest because I don't like that bubblegum flavor, but that really gives it something, man. That is, I haven't found that in any other fruit I've ever had. So super interesting. The apricot, as an example, that's a 9 out of 10, and the figs are a 10 out of 10. So sitting at a 7 with the blueberries and the cherries is the plum, but who knows, it could go even higher. So that was my first homegrown plum, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, grow some plums. We'll catch you all soon. Take care, everyone.